Elevate your game. Let's take a dig at BlockFest Africa, which attracted over 12,000 participants from over 50 countries.
Stakeholders in Africa's tech space gathered in Lagos on Saturday for BlockFest Africa. The regional event focused on the role of blockchain and Web3 technologies across the continent.
There are no limitations to whatever we can do in Web3. Like, the space is so vast, it's so wild. Like,
shamelessness is a superpower. So basically, you have to be shameless about what you do, you know.
For everything that they've been saying, they've all been emphasizing on building connection, collaborating, and like, look at that, meeting for the first time here, and we are doing what I want to say, so yeah.
This is the Crypto Rapu, and I am here with the convener of the biggest crypto event and festival in Africa, BlockFest Africa.
Until we've had impact that shakes the global stage, we've had impact that dominates globally, I don't think I can start rejoicing, so that's how I feel.
And I'd like to start by please respectfully asking all of us to please stand up and give Zeus a round of applause, please. Please.
The latest EthCC conference was buzzing with insights on blockchain's next frontier. My friends, let's be honest. The world of Web3 can feel complicated, sometimes confusing, even intimidating. You hear new terms every day: blockchain, smart contracts, decentralized autonomous organizations, tokens, layer 2s, and for many people around the world, it feels like you need a secret map just to keep up. But here's the truth. It doesn't have to be that way. What if there was a simple path forward, a way to understand this space, build with confidence, and grow something that truly lasts? That's what this roadmap is about. Not hype, not quick money, not empty promises, just clarity, built for anyone, anywhere, who believes in the power of technology to connect, empower, and include. So whether you are in Lagos or London, Bangalore or Berlin, this message is for you. Welcome to the only Web3 roadmap you will ever need. Let's begin by understanding. Part 1. Understand. Turning complexity into clarity. Web3 is not just another tech trend. It's the next evolution of how humans share value and trust each other online. Think about it this way. Web 1, let us read. Web 2, let us share. Web 3, let us own. Ownership, verified by code, shared across a network that nobody controls, yet everybody can trust. And that simple idea is changing everything, from finance to art, from education to supply chains. I met Aisha, a young innovator from Lagos. She works with cocoa farmers who have never had a digital identity. Using blockchain, she gave them proof of origin and fair access to global buyers. In Seoul, Daniel Cho, a developer, built gaming worlds where players fully own their time and effort. Every time, every moment belongs to them. In London, Monica Rivers, an investor, looks beyond buzzwords. She funds funders who can explain in one sentence the real problem they solve, not the coin they mint. These stories come from different continents, but they share one challenge, making complex things simple. And that's the first step on our roadmap. Because when you truly understand the why behind Web3, you unlock the courage to build something that matters. Part 2. Build from vision to reality. Understanding gives you clarity. Building gives you proof. Now, how do we build without getting lost in complexity? The answer is simple. Start small, test fast, learn constantly. Every great blockchain project began with a prototype, a small working idea that proved something real. So here is your easy 3-step approach. Step 1. Build light. Focus on solving one real problem, not 5. Daniel didn't create a whole metaverse overnight. He built one smart contract, one marketplace, then learned what worked. Step 2. Test in public. Web3 thrives on openness. Launch early. Share your code. Invite others to test and contribute. At a recent developer summit, I met builders who said the moment they opened their work to feedback, it got better, faster. Step 3. Design for usefulness, not speculation. A token should mean something. It should reward contribution, unlock features, or grant governance. Monica puts it this way: if your token doesn't serve a purpose, it's just noise. Building isn't about perfection, it's about progress. Because progress, no matter how small, compounds over time. And before you know it, your simple idea becomes something remarkable. Part 3. Grow. From product to ecosystem. When your foundation is strong, growth follows naturally. But here is what's different about growth in Web3. It's not just about users, it's about communities. Growth happens when people feel ownership, when they have a stake in the system they use. Stage 1. Start with 100 true believers. A small loyal community beats 1,000 silent followers. Talk with them, reward them, let them shape your roadmap. That's how Aisha's project scaled, through trust, not marketing. Stage 2. Collaborate, don't compete. No Web3 project succeeds alone. Builders connect chains, share liquidity, and combine data to grow faster together. At events like BlockFest and later at EthCC Ethereum Community Conference in Kenya, I saw something beautiful. Developers from 5 continents working together, translating ideas, sharing audits, connecting tools. That's what global collaboration looks like. Stage 3. Decentralize over time. Don't rush governance. Let your community earn it through contribution and trust. Daniel released his token after his players built enough understanding to govern fairly, and his project became stronger than ever. Remember, Web3 isn't just about new technology, it's about new ways of working together, and growth happens when we build systems that outlive us. Part 4. Universal challenges and simple solutions. Now, let's be honest about the challenges we all face in this space. No matter where you live, the hurdles sound familiar. Too much noise, not enough clarity. Too many tools, not enough direction. Too much hype, not enough substance. But these aren't signs to stop. They are signs to focus. Challenge 1. Complexity. Simplify your language. If your product needs a 5-minute explanation, it's not ready. Challenge 2. Trust. Earn it. Don't ask for it. Transparency beats promises. Challenge 3. Sustainability. Build for long-term value, not quick exit. Whether you are in Nairobi or New York, these truths hold up. Because Web3 at its core is not about geography. It's about human collaboration. Closing. The future belongs to the builders. So here is what I hope you take away. This roadmap isn't a manual, it's a mindset. Understand why Web3 matters. Build something simple that solves a real problem. Grow a community that believes in your vision. These are the same steps innovators are taking in every corner of the world. And if you follow them with patience, humility, you will not only succeed in Web3, You will help define what it becomes. The future doesn't belong to the loudest voices, it belongs to the ones who show up and build. So wherever you are, start today, because this isn't just the next internet. This is our internet, and together we can make it better than the one before.